Obedo liet icheng baraja Inwaya District Headquarters mati ya Naga Town kama lalubko ngat madoro tich me Paris Development Model obedo ka lobo kolim magiwaji ni gibalu tich kwede Inwaya District men yang atira ngoke kome mutime mawe ochente makaro milion 170 peo tiyo mati Jovrin Chomukama Kalisa Matim MP machon madago pi Banda County ngat malobo ko ngat mador LoK Paris Development Model obedo ilimeno menyang atika ikachoke muri cheng baraja kama jomanonok magiti Inwaya District Local Government di onyo choli wigi medwoko chente meno duchu
has serious issues that this whole technical implementing team they need some mindset change workshop, maybe not even for 1 day or 2 days.
Inoni dulmano noni chente maromo milion 170 biadek ali 140 gichiling ali babiero gipiero boro peo tiyo mati nyogi tang wiata nyobere ke luor lepku gichamo wako mapeo tiyo tich me Paris Development Model kilmano gichwalo piereni.
The district commercial officer ordered the accountant of the department to withdraw 1.6. But I pleaded, I say, please, this thing is not going to be enough. Let it be 500 and then 1 million.
First get the agricultural officer to respond to it on my behalf because I was already occupied inducting the participant. He continued afterward calling. So when he insisted calling now, I told him, Takakwa, this is public fund. It is not my mother's money, not even my father's money. And for my case, whether you are going to take me to court, I will not give you a coin.
I didn't give him money. Only what I know is because I was for my leave, I did not attend the trainings of the CDO. These guys can bear me witness. So what I did, I invited this one to come and help during actually the induction, and he had to sign money. In my accountabilities there, I also invited this one, and they signed money. It's here. I made them to sign. It's signed here. No, not him. I didn't give him money. I don't let him produce evidence. I didn't give him any money.
Investigating people and profiling for the last 10, 20 years.
The Minister of Local.
They have, there is an enemy within, very serious. Very serious. And we have noted this. We needed security to take it out because it's poor service delivery is a threat to national security.
Jo makono gino ginene gendong du balo makaro aye Geoffrey Odare Ocheri mati principal commercial officer magi mere eno dwak chiling maromo milion 40 tone bichiela boro Mark Odong Osineri mati senior district accountant mamero dwak chiling maromo milion 30 tone bichiela boro Samuel Ajwang mati senior district planner mamero dwak chiling milion 30 tone abora bichiel District Chief Finance manye pau nonge ki Alfred Kilama mati active production officer magina riyo duju mergo dwak chiling maromo milion 30 tona bichela boro Kidong Alfred Loom mati senior community development officer mamero dwak chiling milion riyo tona bungwen kadong me agikene Linus Lacogne manying title pon nonge mer dwak chiling maromo milion riyo kali 100 benen Tony Awany Matila chuni ot moko chik Inwaya County wachi makman ki kwed maro bini ka ne ke kume pien chente palwa o mere ginyut piere kamaleng.
This is to get to the root cause of the problem. But from the submission I've got today, looks like the man solely responsible for all this mess is the former mayor. I mean the former cow. It's the former cow because he has been the chief implementing person officer, chief accounting officer. I think he messed up all this and then time came for him to go and he has now left this mess in the hands of the new car and others.
Inoni joman kono go kero chenge iwinye me dwoko chente man magi pori wigini duchu mapia no ni na bichu karo malope ke rokcha Honorable Jovrin Omio Bodge David Magere Naga Town Inwaya District